Okay, starting page 115, you have this graph right over here. And what this is that is the function, okay? It says, which of the following equations best describes the figure above? And so what you guys are used to seeing is them giving you the function, you plug in a number, and then you find out what it is. But this time now, they're giving you this right here, and they want you to find out what is the, which one of these describes this function. So all you have to do is choose a point. And I think the easiest point that you could choose, because you know, if you choose like 3 here, it's somewhere in the middle, is this one right here, 1 and 2. Okay, so you know that this coordinate right here is 1 and 2 because you're just physically counting up. Okay, this is our x and this is our y. And then we have x's and y's in here, and all you have to do is plug right back in, and you need to find its match. Okay, so if you were to plug it in here, like y is 2, so when you go 2 times x plus 1, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 does not equal 3. Okay, so you're going to do that, and you're going to plug that in. And I'm just going straight to the answer. You do that for every single one. The answer is actually D, because y equals 2 square root of x. Again, y is 2, and then the x is 1. Okay, so square root of 1 is 1, and then 2 equals 2, so 2 equals 2. Check. D is the answer. Okay, and for the next question, it says, which of the following graphs best represents this function? And it's a negative function. So if it's a negative function, we know that it is going to go downwards, down, down. Okay, so that's something that you need to make sure that you memorize and write some notes for yourself. Negative function faces down. Okay, so which one can we eliminate that's not facing down? This one. So that's going to be the first one that we eliminate. And the next thing after that we can see is it says, which of the following graphs best describes this? So now we need to know, what is the difference between the solid line and then the dashed line? Okay, whenever you see something like this, less than or equal to, less than or greater than, that equals dash line. Okay, and we know that this one is asking for a dashed line. So which one can we eliminate? This one right here, because it's a solid line. Okay, the solid line asks for equals to, because that's why it's saying it's this and everything below. Okay, and so the solid line is the equal to sign, and we're not looking for the equal to sign, it's just the regular one. So which one can we now eliminate? The solid line. Okay, now after this, it says that it's going to be a negative graph, meaning that the parabola is supposed to be facing downwards, and if it's less than, if this is going to be less than, it needs to be below it. It's not above it, which is this one, because now you're left with these two. Because it says that it is f of x is less than this thing, that's the function, and everything is underneath it. This one is everything is over it. D is your answer.